I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right travel bag. I bought and tested these top bags so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. From weekender trips to business travels, I've got insights that will help you find the perfect travel companion. Product number 1, Tie Gear Travel Backpack. This bag has become my go-to for weekend getaways. Imagine heading to the airport, coffee in hand, and realizing your backpack not only screams style, but is also functional. With dimensions of 7.87 by 12.99 by 16.93 inches and weighing just 0.79 kilograms, it doesn't weigh me down, yet provides ample space. The integrated USB charging port is a game changer. I can charge my phone while on the go, although a power bank isn't included. The roomy interior includes 3 main compartments and 9 additional pockets, which means my laptop, books, and even a pair of shoes all fit perfectly without the dreaded rummaging. I was particularly impressed with its water-resistant material, a lifesaver when I was caught in an unexpected drizzle. Plus, the 180-degree zipper closure allowed me to breeze through TSA checks without any hassle. The versatility of this bag is fantastic. I can wear it as a backpack or switch to a handbag style, thanks to its adjustable potted straps. After a weekend trip, the spaciousness meant I could fit everything I needed, from clothes to toiletries, all in an organized manner. However, it might not be suitable for longer trips, as it may not hold enough for extensive packing, but for weekenders, it's ideal. Why buy it? If you're looking for a stylish, versatile, and functional travel bag that meets airline standards, this is a solid choice. I highly recommend it for anyone who values convenience and organization while traveling. Product number 2, Nichel Travel Toiletry Bag. I can't stress enough how important a good toiletry bag is when you're on the move. This one measures 12 by 4.5 by 9 inches, making it spacious enough for my full-sized shampoo bottles, conditioners, and all my makeup essentials. The thoughtful design includes 4 separate compartments, which means no more digging through a jumbled mess. It collapses easily, making packing and unpacking a breeze. What I loved most was the transparent window that allows for quick security checks at the airport. You can see everything at a glance, which is a huge time saver. The hanging feature is perfect. I can hook it onto a bathroom door and access all my items easily. However, it does take up a bit of space in my suitcase when packed, but I think the organization it provides is worth it. The Nichel bag is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their toiletries organized and accessible during travel. Why buy it? If you're tired of messy toiletry bags and need something that keeps everything in its place, this is the travel companion you need. Product number 3, Bag Smart Large Toiletry Bag. This bag opened up to an impressive 33.5 inches, offering 4 separate compartments that allowed me to organize my toiletries like a pro. The water-resistant material kept my essentials safe during unexpected spills. I found the elastic straps inside helpful in keeping my bottles upright, which is crucial when you're on the road. The double zipper design meant I could access items without fully unrolling the bag, which I found very convenient. Plus, the 360-degree swivel hook made it easy to hang anywhere, whether in a hotel or at home. While it's slightly bulkier than other options, the organization it offers is unparalleled. I was able to fit all the toiletries for my family trip in one bag, which saved me from bringing multiple smaller bags. Why buy it? If you're traveling with family or simply love to have everything neatly organized, this bag is a great investment that combines style and functionality. Product number 4, Bag Smart Gym Bag. Let's move to the Bag Smart Gym Bag, which has quickly become my favorite for gym sessions and weekend trips. This bag doesn't just look good, it's functional too. Measuring 16.5 by 7.5 by 11.8 inches, it fits perfectly under the airplane seat, which is a huge plus. The multiple compartments are a lifesaver. I can keep my gym gear separate from my personal items. The PVC pocket for wet items was a thoughtful addition, allowing me to store my damp towel without worrying about ruining the rest of my belongings. Its lightweight design means I can carry it without feeling weighed down, even when it's packed full. However, if you're planning on a longer trip, you might find it a bit limited in space. Nevertheless, its versatility makes it perfect for a quick getaway, gym sessions, or even an overnight stay. Why buy it? If you want a stylish, easy-to-carry gym bag that doubles as a travel companion, this is the one for you. Product number 5. The Luasip Large Women Travel Duffel Bag. An excellent option for those who need a larger carry-on. With dimensions of 20.5 by 8.5 by 12.7 inches and a weight of only 2.1 pounds, it provides ample room for 3 to 5 days of essentials. The 11 pockets were a game changer. I could easily organize my iPad, clothes, and toiletries without any hassle. The separate shoe compartment kept my clean clothes safe from dirty footwear, which is something I always appreciate. The additional toiletry bag is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to store cosmetics and medicines. While it may be on the larger side, it fits within most airline carry-on requirements, which is a relief during travels. The padded shoulder strap offers comfort, and the sturdy design ensures longevity. Why buy it? If you're looking for a spacious, organized bag that can handle everything from weekend trips to gym sessions, this is a fantastic choice that won't let you down. In conclusion, finding the right travel bag is essential for a smooth journey. Each of these bags offers unique features that cater to different needs, whether you need organization, style, or versatility. I hope this guide helps you make an informed decision. Safe travels!